Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Mentor VFX. This is the beginning of a dream. My name is Muhammad Owais and I am 19 years old student. I choose a path that is not easy, a path called VFX or visual effects. Here I will guide you through the worlds of Houdini, Nuke and Unreal Engine. And also I will teach you the tools that is used to create magic on the screen. But listen closely. The VFX industry doesn't accept weaks. This industry only accepts the warriors, dreamers or the legends. If your heart beats for the creation, if your mind imagines worlds, then welcome to this journey. But if not, then this door is not for you. If you are ready, then subscribe and step into the world of VFX. So thank you.